Hi, my name's Dylan Starr. I am a sophomore here at Doane. I am involved in track and field. Not really the track part, I just high jump, so it's pretty simple. I mean, not really simple. I just don't have to run all those miles and everything if I would have came here for running. Um, my major is business. I really don't know what I want to do yet. Uh, I'm really interested in the construction and just like HVAC, plumbing, kind of just all the hands-on learning. So I was originally enrolled at SEC Milford just to get a 9-month class done or whatever for plumbing and be done with school. But then Ed came up to me at a track meet during high school and just said, "You should think about Doane." And so then I took my first visit, and after that, I kind of knew I was coming here. Um, I I have been around business my whole life. My dad's had a business ever since I was born. He's grew a lot in the past, I don't know, 5, 6 years, like a lot. And I've been with him kind of every step of the way, and I've kind of known what he does to get to those points and how he communicates with other people and how he communicates with his wholesalers and just employees and customers and everything. So I've kind of been around that my whole life, and for the past, I don't know, all my summers I've worked for him. And so I don't know, I'd like to say myself I'm a pretty good, I don't know, plumber, HVAC guy, I don't know. Um, I my goal in this class is to learn how to better communicate, even though I know some things, but I don't know all. So hopefully this class can teach me a little bit more about being more professional with things and just how to communicate better. Um, I, like I said, I really didn't want to come to college, but track was kind of the reason I came. Um, yeah, that's about it. That's me.